Okay, assembly of the bolt. Put in the firing pin so it is visible in the rear part of the bolt. Push in the operating rod, rotate forward, put the spring back in, and the firing pin retainer. Okay. Assembly of the grip. Put the trigger back in, slide in the trigger pin, mount the trigger bar, and selector spring. Assembly of the BD42. Slide in the grip retainer, push on the grip, put in the rear, front retaining pins, then the safety. Mount the retainer, push in the selector lever in order to push it up all the way so it locks in place. Mount the handguard with a gas port and tube. Secure with a nut. In order to mount the bolt, rotate the bolt forward, secure, insert from the rear, pull the trigger, push forward, only so far that you can see the hole for the cocking handle. Insert the cocking handle, slide forward, pull the trigger. Mount the mainspring with a spring guide and the rear retainer, full stop. Mount the stock, slide it on, tap, mount the front sight base and front sight, secure the muzzle nut by screwing it on. Mount the flash suppressor.